Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Magnifier for reading any of text documents into your Windows operating system. You can see there is this PDF format conclusion over here. So you can simply use the magnifier, like simply I'm going to search for magnifier. You can see here is a magnifier. After that, you can see that if you just select the plus sign, you can see it's getting pretty much closer. You can see it will looks like this. Also, you can simply press your Windows key plus button, and you can see now it's getting more closer. And you can simply drag down it, shake it by your choice. You can see your magnifier is working. But if you just see somewhere back, and you can see it looks like it's getting, you can see this is how you can use it. You can simply check it if you want. If you press the minus button, it will get minused by this. If you just close it, and now if you just press the control over here, so now what you can do, you just simply come over into your search option and going to search for magnifier. After opening the magnifier, you can simply, so if you want to make this objectify pronounced, then it's very simple. Like you just need to select this one and going to
Objects may be either.
You can see now it's speaking. You just simply click it and going to drag.
Jump to content Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Search donate create account login. Contents hide.
It will talk like this. But if you want to make it more zoom in, you can simply click on that and it will looks like this over here. You can see it will looks like this over here. You can also do it by pressing your Windows button and going to click the plus icon. It will also work over here. And you can all down to drag it into 1600, I guess. We can see it will looks like this. So yeah, this is how you can use magnifier to reading into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.